Skomaris is an innovative and nimble organisation that delivers a number of pharmaceutical studies for a number of clients. We're currently in Brixham in the English Riviera. We've got roughly 2,500 metres squared of dedicated lab space here. 75% of all staff at Skomaris are scientific role-based. It's maybe 50+% of our studies require seawater, which we can draw straight in from directly outside the front. We then store that into a couple of large tanks at the back to give us some resilience, and then that supplies into the studies throughout the facility.
GF Piping Systems are specialists in various grades of plastic pipe and fittings, combined with a focus on measurement, control, and liquid analysis. So as Cymaris are drawing seawater directly from source, providing a really harsh environment to work in, GF are able to offer a Hastelloy C version of the conductivity probe, which provides much greater longevity. To ensure a reliable process, Cymaris measure dissolved oxygen, conductivity, temperature, pressure, and level.
Dissolved oxygen is really important because it allows us to understand how much oxygen is in the water to maintain the aquatic ecosystem. So the new probes will give us an actual visual display of those parameters on it, which we haven't had before, so we'll be able to monitor much closely.
As part of a whole host of improvements, Cymaris are looking to change out their existing transmitters for the new 9956 channel, which will allow 6 different instruments to be plugged into a single transmitter.
Being a 6-channel controller, we can remove some of the other controllers and link it into that one, so we've got less parts to go wrong within the system.
Reliability plays a massive factor with Cymaris. They need to ensure that their case studies run seamlessly to provide the data that they need for their clients.
Accuracy is super important because our clients have very, very stringent guidelines, and along with any sort of government regulations we need to comply with as well, they're very stringent, and if we were to step outside of those at any point, then we do risk the study failing. I think ultimately every study we do within this facility is there to protect the environment for the future.
The relationship between Cymaris and GF is important because Cymaris are continually upgrading their facility, providing more accurate solutions, and GF are able to support that.
Working with GF is really beneficial for us. It gives us some great resilience across all of our engineering assets.